this is so interesting. It's so difficult because we do not have a lot of time on this course to like figure out what the best strategy is. And there's, oh my gosh, there's so much to figure out. It's so hard. Like, I want to do this course so much. I just want to rapid fire this thing, like, all night long. It's so good. Oh, it's so good.
3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Oh, hopping. Oh, hopping.
Outside in. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
All right, more Touge racing. Touge? Oh, we're hopping too much speed. Oh, this is so good, though. It's so fun. I just want to do this all night. Bruh.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
More Touge. Currently I have the fastest time at 37.2. Let's try to make it a little better, huh? Let's hop in that time. That's good. Oh, probably don't need to brake there. I don't know. Oh, man, don't know what to do out of there. Oh, so fun. Man, I don't need all these seats. Well, we're doing like legit Touge this time. This is gonna be sweet. We have multiple laps. We have to do like this 180 around this cone. Dude, it's gonna be crazy. So yeah, basically what's gonna happen is I have to try to pass him. We're gonna do 2 laps now. And then we're gonna redo it the next time. Where I'm gonna be in front. And then I have to try to prevent him from passing. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be wild. Oh, this is so cool. Where can I pass him, though? That's the question. Oh, no, I messed up, too. Ah! I probably could have passed him there, I think. It is really hard to pass on this, that's for sure. Oh. Well, I did get to his back bumper. Ugh. That was so cool.
2, 1, go!
All right, now this one I gotta defend. I can't let him pass me. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Gas pedal sticking a little bit. That's okay. Oh, we're a little slidey right now. We're a little slidey. Ooh, man. So good.
1, go! 21 started a little early.
He did jump the start a little bit. I'm not sure it was like egregious.
It was like a rolling stop.
Yeah. Dude, having to do the 180 around here feels,
You guys did.
it feels awesome.
Really?
It's, oh my god. Oh, that was cool. The only thing I would say is it might be a little too hard to pass. I don't know yet.
Yeah.
So maybe
It's pretty brutal.
if we get to if we tap them or I don't know. It's hard to say. There's a lot of tweaking that has to be that could be done.
Yeah.
Not that has to be done. I think it's
No,
good.
well, and I'm open to anything, after as we're talking or, in the chat, somebody have the checkers? I thought I'd go with passing instead of the bumper because you could just drive in deep.
No, yeah, you're right.
Buddy.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa, that was close. Coming around for the 180. Let's see if anybody messes it up. Oh, perfect. Man, that was like a perfect 180. Oh, the wave, the disrespect, my goodness. Oh, he might be catching them.
That's my brother, and I got him down to a 19.2 here, so I'm like, you gotta try challenge night.
Oh, nice.
He's never flipped the cart before, so we'll see how the cone goes.
I don't think a lot of people have on purpose. Ooh, that was nice. Oh no! Oh, what a disaster! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, it was so close to being correct. Uh-oh. Okay, we're good, we're good. Brandon recognized. Looks like an easy win for Brandon. Although, I mean, if he didn't mess up that 180, it was going to be close. What's that?
I was about 3 inches away from mine being perfect. I flipped the cone.
I mean, yours look pretty good too, but his was like picture perfect. It was crazy. You both did excellent though. Oh, Brandon's getting them. Oh, Brandon's right there. Oh, this is a little sketchy. Brandon is coming through. He does not care. I know. Instead, aggressive Brandon happened. Grant. Oh, yeah. I got confused for a second. All right, 180 time. Ooh, good 180. Ooh, good 180. He didn't even drift that.
That was the best 180. Worth it though. Worth it.